Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did quite a little bit of work as we had to replace the fuse that is located inside the boiler, the steam boiler. We had to basically remove the entire boiler from the machine, then put it back together and replace the fuse. We also descaled both of these boilers, the steam boiler and the brew boiler. There was a lot of scale build up in this machine, so we were able to remove most of it. We also replaced the O-rings of the boilers as well and replaced the gasket around here. So yeah, we did quite a lot of work. Previously this machine was not heating up to past 150. It will stay at 150 and it will not do anything else. The fuse that actually controls the temperature of the steam boiler was out. That's the reason why we had to replace it. Once we replace it, the machine goes back to 200 degrees with no problem, and it's just working the way it's supposed to. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this beautiful machine. We're on the 17 setting of the grinder, and we are using our test coffee. Now our test coffee, we have it in this container, not the best container, especially you want to aim for freshness. So we might not get a lot of crema. And like I say, we're grinding on the 17 setting of the grinder. All right, perfect. Nice and damp, looking great. And now let's pull that shot of espresso. Now this machine takes approximately 8 to 7 seconds on pre-infusion, depending how it was programmed. Then it does the extraction. And as you can see, the extraction is looking pretty good, a little bit fast. So we probably should be aiming to grind around maybe the 12 setting instead. And of course, using a fresher coffee than what we have in here. Even though we're using our test coffee and we're grinding it on the 17 setting, we got a good shot of espresso coming out from this machine. Look at that crema. Looking great. Looking nice. Excellent flow. Around 2.5 ounces, which is perfect for a double shot. And now we can just use the hot water. As you can see, hot water working great, excellent flow. And the steam of this machine, we also replaced the lever cap for the silicone one, so it will have better thermal conductivity and it will just disperse the way it's supposed to. Nice steady steam, excellent steam. Great pressure, working excellent. So there you have it, Breville Oracle working once again, grinding the way it's supposed to, extracting well, putting on water and steaming as well. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.